One of the latest innovative developments of Istochnik Plus joint stock company was the creation of a modular high-expansion foam fire extinguishing device that has no analogues in world fire extinguishing practice. Fire extinguishing installations with high expansion foam are used for volumetric, local volumetric, and aerial fire extinguishing. Istochnik Plus company has developed and implemented into serial production two modifications of modules with a capacity of 17 and 28 liters of fire extinguishing agent with a foam expansion ratio of at least 600 units with an inertia of no more than 10 seconds and a warranty period of at least 10 years. The big advantage of modules over stationary pump systems is their autonomy and energy independence. The most justified is the use of foam as a fire extinguishing agent at facilities where large quantities of flammable liquids are handled. Foam fire extinguishing is widely used for fire suppression at industrial enterprises, oil and gas industry facilities, warehouses, transport, and many other objects.